Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play Calm app on Google Home Mini. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So currently the Calm app doesn't offer direct integration with Google Home Mini, but there are a few workarounds to play Calm content on your Google Home devices. So method 1 is casting from a phone or tablet. Open the Calm app, start the Calm app on your device or iOS device. Number 2, connect to Google Home. Make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Google Home. Open your device control center on iOS or quick settings on Android and select screencast or cast, and then choose your Google Home device. Number 3, play Calm content. Select and play the content you want in Calm, like a sleep story, meditation or music. The audio will now play through your Google Home speaker or Google Home Mini. Method 2 is use Bluetooth to connect Calm to Google Home or Google Home. Activate Bluetooth on Google Home or Google Home Mini. Say hey Google Bluetooth pairing or hey Google pair Bluetooth to put your Google Home in pairing mode. Pair your device, go to Bluetooth settings on your phone or tablet, select your Google Home device from the list. Open the Calm app and play content. Once connected, you can open Calm and play any audio which will stream to Google Home via Bluetooth or Google Home Mini, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.